ways, but I like to make mine like this too. Now I like to make them when they are a little, when you roll them out and put them on. I love them too. Well, this right here, you don't need no bread with it. This is delicious. And look at this. Look at the broth and the carrots and the chicken. I put a little bit of curry in, just a little bit, and just a little bit of rosemary in the dumplings. This tastes really good. You can put anything you want in your dumplings. Mrs. Sandra will tell you how to eat it, and get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net, and I'll show you how to do these delicious, wonderful dumplings, y'all. They are fantastic. Mrs. Sandra, make them come to my channel. I haven't eaten. Oh, they are so good. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is my down-home cooked chicken and dumplings. Yes, indeed, I'm going to make you my version of down-home chicken and dumplings. I got 2 recipes or 3 recipes that I like cooking, but this is one is my favorite. And this one right here, I have chicken thighs. I'll show you what they look like. You see this skin right here? You need to take that skin out, but you need the skin to get that good taste broth. So we're going to take that skin off, and we'll be right back and show you what we're going to do next. Some homemade chicken and dumplings. Alright, we got the chicken skin removed. And you see this broth right here? We're going to skim this broth off, and we're going to make a little roux with this so we can put it back into this. But what we're going to do now is add some onion, bell pepper, and garlic. Excuse me. You can put garlic in if you want to. And I do not put most of the garlic into the chicken dumplings, but if you want, you can. But we're going to put onion, bell pepper, and celery. Some people don't want bell pepper in theirs. But you can just put it in just like this. And we're going to let that simmer for about a good 10 minutes. And we're going to spoon off the broth like that.